This is question number 4 on geometry homework number 2 for the 4th quarter. So the question says, find the measurement of angle B. So angle B, I need to label that first. Here's our B, so our angle B will be right here. And we don't know what that is, so I'm going to label it theta. And then it gives us a hint. You have two sides, and you need to find an angle. What strategy do you use? So that's a great question. And in fact, if you go back to your note cards, your little flashcards, or you could go back to the lesson review that we did. If we have two sides and we need to find an angle, we're going to use inverse trigonometric ratios. So we're going to use those. First thing that we need to do is label all of our sides. So this is going to be my hypotenuse. Here's my angle. So if I draw an arrow over here, this is going to be my opposite, which means this, touching the angle, is going to be my adjacent. The two sides that I care about are going to be this side, which is labeled as 4 inches, so my opposite, and then this side is also labeled 7 inches, which is my adjacent. Hypotenuse doesn't have any labels on it, and it's not asking for hypotenuse, so we don't care about it at all. So the inverse trigonometric ratio that involves opposite and adjacent is going to be tangent. So we're going to say tangent, and this is inverse trigonometric ratios, is going to be opposite over adjacent, so SOHCAHTOA, and that's going to give us theta, our angle. So now we can just plug in our numbers. Tan -1, opposite would be 4, adjacent is going to be 7, and that's going to give us theta. So your job now is to just plug this into your calculator, and then whatever you get for your answer is going to be in that box there.